On 29th of December 2022, the Supreme Court upheld the conviction of former Finance Minister Dr. Katele and 3 others who were convicted and sentenced to 5 years imprisonment for corrupt practices on 26th May 2010. However, the decision by the Supreme Court has been welcomed with mixed feelings by different people from the country. Among them is Patriot Front presidential candidate Emmanuel Mwamba, who has called on the Supreme Court to vacate its recent judgment to jail Dr. Katele and 3 others, as the judges involved must have recused themselves in the case. Mr. Mwamba notes that the judgment was a great injustice to the quartet, as the matter was heard by Supreme Court judges that should have recused themselves, as they had handled these matters in the past when they held junior positions. He has called on the Chief Justice to vacate the judgment and reconstitute a fresh independent hearing by other judges to grant the appeal case a fair and justice hearing. Mr. Mwamba notes that in this case, the Director of Public Prosecution, Lydian Flutter, refused to support the prosecution of the case because of how it was founded and prosecuted by her predecessor, Mr. Mtembo Nchito, as Public Prosecutor and later as DPP, adding that the DPP had submitted extensively that the case relied on allegations of corrupt practices and overpayments.
We call upon the Office of the Chief Justice to cause, in the matter of Dr. Katele and 3 others who were recently jailed, that judgment be vacated and an independent, fair hearing of the appeal case takes place. This is because of the 3 judges that heard this matter. 2 of them had dealt with these matters when they held junior position. The 3 judges, Dr. Mumba Malila, Honorable Jones Chinyama, and Honorable Roy Dakaoma. The other 2 judges, Honorable Mumba Malila was Attorney General. He sued Faustin Kabwe Nchungu in the London court together with the former president, Dr. Frederick Chirua. He also provided counsel and guidance in the prosecution of these matters that involved the Zantrop account and the recovery of such assets. For Honorable Jones Chinyama, he already jailed Faustin Kabwe Nchungu in the matter of Dr. Chirua, where Dr. Chirua was acquitted. It is clear that the 2 officers were highly prejudiced and could not have fairly heard this matter in an independent and impartial way. It is for this reason, for the sake of justice, that this matter be vacated, the judgment be vacated.
Dr. Kalumba was jointly sentenced with former Finance Permanent Secretary Stella Chibanda and former directors of the defunct Access Financial Services, Faustina Kabwe and Aaron Chungu. This is a matter in which Dr. Kalumba, Chibanda, Kabwe and Chungu were charged with corruption in relation to the payments of about $20 million to a United States of America security company and Systems Innovation and Ruben Incorporation between 1997 and 2000. The payments were meant for security installations on strategic government. Margaret Chota, Movie TV News in Lusaka.